How to set a passcode for restricted mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open these options at the bottom. Click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Content Preferences in here. In Content Preferences, you will find Restricted Mode. Click on Restricted Mode. If you need to turn on, simply click on Turn On at the bottom. After it's turned on, you'll find Add Passcode option. Click on Add Passcode. Then, enter a passcode. Again, to confirm, add your passcode, and you're good to go. This is how to set a passcode for restricted mode on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.